Hi everyone, my name is Raj Prajapati. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm a full time investor and trader. I invest in long term stocks. I um, do short term trading as well. No intraday, but I take positions on a 3 month, 6 month basis. So, what is my short term trading strategy? I try to trade stocks which have great fundamentals, growth stocks, stocks which are a part of a sector which has tailwind, sectors which are improving, sectors which are turning around, sectors which are fundamentally very strong. So I try and find investment opportunities from these areas. Um, So my short-term trading analysis is primarily based on the concept of William O'Neill. I try and find consolidation and basis from where the stock starts to break out from. Plus, I have my own strategy that I have made over a period of time, and it I amalgamate it with William O'Neill's strategy, and I try and make some money on the short term. I do trade some options as well from time to time, depending upon if there are any great opportunities. So as I as I said earlier, I'm a full-time investor and trader, so I make a living doing this. So I have multitude of areas that I focus in to try and make some money on the side apart from my long-term investments. So we are going to analyze Gillette India today. Gillette is a very high quality company. It's an MNC. It was listed since 2006 and it has given great returns to investors over this period of time. Um, so if you see right off the bat, uh, if you've been doing technical analysis for a while, you'll see there is a peculiar characteristic of Gillette. It goes up very quickly, then it has a slow grinding correction, again goes up very quickly, slow grinding correction, goes up, slow grinding correction. So that's the characteristic of the stock, and if you're going to trade it, you need to be aware of this characteristic of the stock. This fall happened because of COVID. If that wouldn't have happened, possibly the correction would have been, like one straight correction and then a slow grinding. So what does the uptrend look like? The stock goes up for 1 2 years and then it corrects for the next 2 years. Then the stock goes up for a year and a half, and then it corrects, and then it corrects for roughly a year and a half. Then the stock goes up again for 2 years, roughly 2 years, and now we are looking at a correction of so we are what now? October 19 to May 20. October 19, 1.5 year. So my guess is we are nearing the end of this correction. Possibly the next two, 2 to 4 months, the stock might just continue sideways and then pop. So I want to take an early entry in this stock. Uh, there is not going to be any stop loss for my trade. It's an investment opportunity, and I'll tell you why. It's a very high quality company, and it cannot be traded like other stocks. But I see a great investment opportunity in this. So let's, as I explained the characteristics of the stock, what am I looking at? Currently I'm looking at buying, accumulating this stock within this level between 53 80 and 59.40. This is the level in which I'd be accumulating in. Even if it falls further, I will accumulate more. So, couple of good things. We've seen buying interest here on high volume, so that's a good thing. Overall the trend has changed. If you see, the trend is up. So this is like a pullback buying opportunity. We are nearing our peculiar characteristic of the stock wherein the stock has corrected and it is in a slow grind. So my guess is possibly in the next 2 to 4 months the stock might, you know, sort of give an up move. See, pretty much the same thing. The stock was correcting in a very boring fashion and it suddenly popped up. And in a matter of what 6 months, it was up 60-70%. So making that kind of money in a high quality company is very good. If you're not the kind of a trader who likes to buy risky small cap, mid cap stocks, you can you can make money in Gillette as well. So that's the entry point. There is no stop loss for this. Uh, why no stop loss, and what's the fundamental reason? It's a mid cap company. Everybody knows about Gillette. Absolutely. There'll be probably very few people who don't know about Gillette. So only 12% of the stock is out to trade. Now look at this interesting stuff. Between December and March 2020, DIIs have bought 6% stake in the company. So they've increased their allocation. So this is one interesting thing which got me interested. Great ROCE and stuff. They're sitting on good cash flow from operations. No borrowings, and they have around 400 crores of cash on the balance sheet. If you see, there has been good amount of increase in sales, and profits have come pretty higher, 110 crores higher than previous year. If you notice that the profits were stuck in this range for a very long time, even the sales were stuck in this range for a very long time, 16, 17, 1800 crores. Although this was happening, the profits were still going up before because the margins were increasing. So the margins have stabilized now, and the stock has broken out. The sales has broken out of this range. So we can see another up move happening in Gillette. Possibly a 60, 70, 100% up move is possible in Gillette. Now, what am I looking at? What is my analysis from the fundamental point of view? If you see the median PE of the stock is 74, which is this dotted line. All right, and the stock is currently trading at 54 PE. So, in my opinion, it is undervalued. Also, if you notice, from March 2020, the EPS was 82, and currently the EPS is 100. So the EPS has gone up by 20-25%. Okay, so that is also something worth considering. So what can happen? The least that we can expect is, if we look at the overall PE expansion, the PE has gone up to 200 also, and on the lower side the PE has gone up to 38-40 also. So from a long term perspective, my bet is that the stock is currently trading at very cheap valuations. And see, last time the PE was 51, it shot up. Currently the PE is around 50-54. PE was around 38-40 and it shot up. So what can we expect? We can expect it to shoot up until 100, 130 sort of PE. So if from 50 PE it goes to 100, we can expect a 100% return in this stock. So this is my analysis. I may be wrong as well, but this is how I look at it. So I will be buying Gillette in this price range, 10% price range, and I'll be looking for a 70 to 100% up move from here. There is going to be no stop loss. It's a fundamental call. I try to explain this to you from a technical point of view as to why this is looking good from a technical perspective also. Okay, guys, have a good day. Thank you.